You may be asleep with the sleep focus turned on, thinking no one can disturb you. But your iPhone itself may tell the person messaging you that your notifications are silenced and show them a Notify Anyway button. With one tap, their message can come through as a notification, even though focus is on. And worse, this isn't the only way your peace can be interrupted. First, open Settings, then tap Focus, and go to Focus Status. If Share Focus Status is turned on, messages and other apps that support this feature may tell the other person that you have notifications silenced. They won't know whether you're using sleep or work, and they won't know what you're doing. But they will know that you've silenced your notifications, and Notify Anyway may appear, allowing them to send a notification despite focus being on. It's important to understand that this button doesn't turn focus off completely. It only allows the notification for that message to come through. If you want maximum privacy and peace, turn off Share Focus Status. If you don't want to turn it off completely, leave it on, go back to the focus page, and tap Do Not Disturb, Personal, or any other focus. From here, you can choose which apps and people can notify you and which ones can't. Turning off these settings doesn't block anyone, delete messages, or disable focus. Your messages will still be there whenever you're ready to check them. You're simply closing the exceptions that could surprise you with a notification at the worst possible time. Check these settings now and tell me in the comments. If this information is new to you, write first time. If you already knew it, write old information. And be honest. Is Notify Anyway important for emergencies? Or does it give people a chance to cross your boundaries? If you discovered an exception you didn't know about, leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who uses Focus, because one notification at the wrong time can ruin your sleep, your meeting, or a private moment you thought your iPhone was protecting.